What's up, Raf gang? This is a short PSA announcement to clean out your desktop PC. What I use is a simple, just a compressed gas duster here. Insignia from Bestbuy, it's cheap. But I always recommend, would suggest is to clean out your desktop PC twice a year. So once every 6 months or so is a good time. So what I'm doing now is I'll show you that I'm going to clean out my PC. Get all the dust bunnies out and make sure it's just keep on running. Because as you know, my PC has been running me for 10 years. A couple times I repaired it, yeah, a couple crashes of the OS, but most of the hardware is pretty much the same. And all I do is I clean it out about twice a year. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright, so as you can see, my lowly Gateway desktop, which let me see if there's a date on here. It is the DX 4840 Gateway, so however long that is. But anyway, take it out here, and you know, I keep it pretty, not too bad, not too rough. I got my GeForce GTX 960 still kicking it. Got a nice power supply, 850 watts, Corsair's good, and standard hard drive. I think I got a solid state drive and my C drive up there, so regular CD drive I don't use. But anyway, let's clean this out. So all I do is give it a few woohoo, yeah baby, a few dusts right there. Get all that dust out of there. Look at this fan back here. There you go. At the back here. Spin. There we go. Power supply. Get out of there. Dust out your USB and HDMI ports. And get the GPU, the bottom there. There we go. Spin that fan there. Otherwise, guys, yeah, just give it a brush over. Get all the dust out of there. Keep the parts clean. Get the power supply up there. Anyway, guys, I just recommend doing that. You know, should help out your desktop PC running good, feeling good, get all that dust out of that. You know what I mean? And keep yours running for a long time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you next time.